from FurzAid Animal Rescue app. We have given up our lives in London and have come to help the animals of Greece and Central America who are desperately struggling for survival, and to help the organisations, sanctuaries and volunteers on the ground who work with these animals. With the economic downturn, travel restrictions and a huge reduction in charitable support, their situation is absolutely critical. We're here to be an extra pair of helping hands on the ground and a compassionate heart on the front line of animal rescue. And although we have happily self-funded all of our animal rescue work and will continue to do so, all donations made to our campaign will enable us to help even more sanctuaries, volunteers and animals that are in desperate need, just like my little friend here. So if you can, please support us to make a real difference for them. Thank you for your kindness.